Hi everyone, welcome back to Active USA Ride Waves. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Yamaha Fluo ABS scooter that's turning heads with its blend of style, technology, and efficiency. CPG Click Petroleo e-Gas. The 2025 Yamaha Fluo ABS is designed for urban riders seeking a reliable and feature-rich scooter. At its core, it boasts a 125cc single-cylinder, air-cooled engine delivering 9.5 horsepower at 8,000 revolutions per minute and 7.4 pounds-to-feet of torque at 5,500 revolutions per minute. This setup ensures smooth acceleration and responsive performance, making city commuting a breeze. U2 Plus 2 Motorcycles 2025 Plus 2 CPG Click Petroleo e-Gas Plus 2. One of the standout features is its fully automatic CVT transmission, which provides seamless gear shifts and ease of use, especially beneficial for stop-and-go traffic. The scooter's lightweight design, weighing approximately 225 pounds, further enhances maneuverability and fuel efficiency. Motorcycles 2025 Motorcycles 2025. Speaking of efficiency, the Fluo ABS impresses with a fuel consumption rate of around 94 miles per gallon, thanks to its intelligent stop-start system. This system automatically shuts off the engine during idling and restarts it upon acceleration, conserving fuel and reducing emissions. Motorcycles 2025 Plus 1 YouTube Plus 1. Safety hasn't been overlooked. The inclusion of an ABS braking system ensures controlled and stable braking, even in sudden stops or slippery conditions. Coupled with LED headlights and a digital LCD panel, riders are equipped with enhanced visibility and real-time information at a glance. Motorcycles 2025. Comfort and convenience are also prioritized. The Fluo ABS features a spacious under-seat storage compartment, a 12-volt power outlet for charging devices, and a smart key system that allows for keyless ignition, perfect for riders on the go. Motorcycles 2025. Aesthetically, the scooter is available in 3 striking colors: metallic blue, metallic black, and metallic white, catering to diverse style preferences. As for pricing, the 2025 Yamaha Fluo ABS starts at $2,700 in the US, positioning it as an affordable yet feature-packed option in the scooter market. Motorcycles 2025 Plus 1 YouTube Plus 1. In summary, the 2025 Yamaha Fluo ABS combines practicality, safety, and modern features, making it an excellent choice for urban commuters and scooter enthusiasts alike. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest in the riding world.